Hi, Debbie here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the VLOXO Ultrasonic Cleaner. This sleek and compact device boasts impressive ultrasonic cleaning capabilities, and I found the gentle yet thorough cleaning action worked wonders on our eyeglasses, watches, and even small utensils. Setup is super simple, with easy to use controls and preset cleaning cycles. The LED display is clear and user-friendly, allowing you to customize cleaning cycles according to your needs. Whether it's delicate jewellery or stubborn dirt on small gadgets, this ultrasonic cleaner caters to a diverse range of items. If you want to use it continuously, only do so for a maximum of 10 minutes and then allow it to cool down before starting up again. One of the standout features is its spacious stainless steel tank. The sizable tank can accommodate several items at once, ensuring a time-efficient cleaning process. I was pleasantly surprised by how effectively it removed dirt and grime from intricate pieces of jewellery, leaving them looking as good as new. The ultrasonic technology works by producing high-frequency vibrations that create tiny bubbles in the cleaning solution. The bubbles implode upon contact with the items being cleaned, dislodging dirt and contaminants from even the tiniest crevices. I was fascinated to see how well this technology worked in practice. I've been really happy with the results so far. This cleaner is quieter compared to others I've encountered over the years. Cleaning solutions can make or break an ultrasonic cleaner's effectiveness, but I've used Octopus Ultrasonic Amethyst solution, which works absolutely brilliantly. You can also use water and detergent, but always check the user instruction manual for full details. Maintenance is easy. Its removable basket makes retrieving items a straightforward task, and then you can just dispose of the liquid. Regular cleaning of the tank it prolongs the device's lifespan and ensures consistent cleaning performance. For peace of mind, this little beauty comes with a 12-month warranty. Thanks for checking out my review, and I hope you found it helpful.